It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 122. We have y is equal to x over x minus 2 to the power of 4. Then what is the derivative of this function, right? Okay, y prime is equal to, here we have a power, so we're going to have to apply power rule first. So 4 times, leave the expression inside of the parentheses, n to the power of 3, 4 minus 1, and multiply by derivative of this expression right here. That's a chain rule, right? So derivative of this is going to be, we're going to have to apply the quotient rule since we have more than one term in our denominator, right? So quotient rule is always denominator square, x minus 2 square. Numerator is going to be low d high, low x minus e, derivative of high, which is equal to 1, right? Derivative of x is equal to 1. Minus high d low, minus high x, times derivative of low, derivative of x minus 2, that's also 1. Right? So we're done. Let's simplify this. So that's going to be equal to 4 times x over x minus 2 to the power of 3. Here we have x minus 2 squared. Numerator we have x minus 2, x minus 2 minus x. That's negative 2, right? So 4 times negative 2, that's negative 8. So negative 8, we have x cubed. So 8x cubed over x minus 2 cubed times x minus 2 squared. That's going to be x minus 2 to the power of 5, right? So the answer has to be A.